So I'm walking through the grocery store the other day and I find this. My first thought was I could chase my wife around the kitchen with this. My next thought was this would make a really good tool to do a Chicago style hot dog video, only we're going to do it on the campfire. And we're going to get started right now. Alright, I already did a test run of one of these for my son because he was hungry, so now I'm going to do 3 more on camera for you guys, and I'll cook the rest for my family when we're done with this video. So we're just going to put 3 of these on this long hot dog skewer stick here. By the way, don't ever touch this when you have it over the fire. I already found out the hard way that that's not a good idea. Let's start roasting these. Those are looking really, really nice. I'm going to flip these over now. Okay, I have all the key elements here for a proper Chicago style dog. Let's build them. I have a nice thin slice of pickle. Now some nice thin pieces of tomato. Some very finely diced onion. Our bright green Chicago dog relish. Now this relish is made by Puckered Pickle Company. They're also the same company that makes the pickles. But you can get all these ingredients from Vienna. They make everything from the hot dogs to the buns and everything in between. And you want to use a proper dog. You want to go with a Vienna dog on this. That's what a Chicago style dog is. And we can't forget our sport peppers. You can't possibly have a Chicago dog without sport peppers. Mustard, gotta have the mustard. And we finish these off with a pinch of celery salt. And there you have it. Time for my favorite part. You know what I'm going to say, but I'm going to say it anyway. Cheers, everybody. I just had to wipe a little mustard off my nose. Alright, look, so this has all the classic elements of a proper Chicago-style hot dog. Just like the Philly cheesesteak, this is open to interpretation. This is the way I do it. This is the way any place that I go that I like does it. And I hope you'll give it a try. The Campfire gave this a little bit more smoky flavor, a little bit of robust crispiness on the outside of the dog. And I really liked it. I'm not going to say I like it better than a classic Chicago dog, but it's really damn good. So until next time, I'll see you on the next episode.